fam, it's RutyJ. Welcome to my channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Ruty Anushka and I live in Poland. This video is for those finding it difficult to process visa to come to Nigeria. Yes, I know Nigeria visa is very difficult to get. Yes, but I tell you, there is a way out. There are possibilities. There is a way you can get a Nigeria visa. Yes, my husband also had problem processing a Nigeria visa when he wanted to come to Nigeria, but I had to do visa on arrival for him. Yes, you heard me right, visa on arrival. Don't think because your spouse or your friend, your girlfriend or whosoever could not get a Nigeria visa, that does not mean the person cannot come to Nigeria. Yes, with visa on arrival, your friend, your spouse, your partner can come to Nigeria. Yes, I tell you and I assure you, it is possible and it is less stressful. You know, sometimes when you are in a country, maybe the Nigeria embassy in your country is in another state, you have to travel down, you have to do a lot of processing and all that before you can get a Nigeria visa, because Nigeria visa is that difficult. But I tell you, visa on arrival is easier, and all you need to do is send the right documents to the immigration officer. And one thing you need to know is that the visa on arrival visa is a business visa. Yes, you're not coming to Nigeria for business, but the visa is a business visa. So the immigration officer processing, the person processing it for you, the agent, the immigration officer processing it for you, will have to do an extra document for you that has nothing to do with you. It's just the main requirement. That is what you should provide, and I'll be stating that later in the video. But right now I'm trying to explain about this visa on arrival. You can use it to enter Nigeria, and if your visa expire and you want to extend your stay, you can go to the immigration office to extend your stay. So visa on arrival, it is 100% guarantee you can use it. I used it for my husband. Yes, so I can assure you it is okay, it is safe, it is good, it is a very good alternative, because Nigeria visa is very, very difficult to get. Yes, so let's hop into the requirements, what you will be needing to process your visa on arrival. Okay, I wrote it down, sorry. So the first thing you will be needing is the front page of your international passport. Yes, the front page where you have your picture, your name on it and other details. That front page, you have to print it out, because these things you don't need to travel anywhere. You just need to send an email to the agent or the officer processing the visa for you. So you need to print out your front page of your international passport, and the next thing you'll be needing is your email address. When the old visa thing has been processed, they will be sending you a document that you need to show when you arrive. When you show it, you show them, they just ask for your passport and stamp and do the opt-in, and you are good to go. So they'll be needing your email address. Remember, this is a business visa, so they need few important things about you. You understand that they will be needing, because they'll be adding additional documents for you, and that is not your business. I'm telling you now, what I'm mentioning for you right now are what you will be needing. These are the important things you will be needing. They'll be asking you for. Then apart from that, you don't have any problem. You just need to relax and wait for the document that will be sent to you. And the next thing you'll be needing is your flight ticket. They need to see your round trip ticket when you are arriving in Nigeria and when you'll be leaving. They'll be needing that too. So you have to book your flight ticket. The visa on arrival is 100% guaranteed that they will be processing it and you are getting the visa. So you don't need to fear like, oh, I want to pay for visa. What if they don't give me? I want to pay for my ticket. What if they don't give me visa? No, you don't have to be afraid of that. You are getting your visa 100%. It's a business visa and it's more like you're coming to invest in the country. So you are good to go. So don't let that bother you at all. And the next thing you'll be needing is your house address. Your house address from your country where you are living. They'll be needing your house address. Like, okay, because they'll be doing some additional documents for you. So they need few things about you. So you have to send your house address. Then the last thing you'll be needing is your passport. You have to snap a passport and send it to them. So these are the things you'll be needing to send to the officer. Then apart from this, the other documents you'll be needing will be processed by the officer. This has nothing to do with you. And the fee you will have to pay roughly 280 to 270,000 naira is all you will be needing. These are your charges. This is what I spent when I invited my husband, when I did visa on arrival for my husband. I don't know about other agents, but this is the range of which this visa usually costs. So I assure you that this visa will help you to be able to come to Nigeria to visit your friend. And if you are a lady maybe trying to process visa for your spouse, I tell you, this is the best alternative you'll be needing, because sometimes your partner might be too busy with work for him to go to the embassy, to Nigerian embassy, to start running around to get his visa. You can process visa on arrival for him. It will not be stressed. These are just what he needs and to pay these fees, and everything will be processed and is good to go, I assure you. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope I'm grab one or two information from this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share this video. Might help someone. Please click the subscribe.